Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Welcome back. So we got the DELTAFORCE VORTEX 34 out here on the New River. It's pretty nice out here. It's pretty nice. Got a guy out here on his kayak. He comes out and looks for lures that people's lost, you know, on stumps and stuff. So today I've got two sets of packs we're going to run. The 7600 150C HCL HPs, which are about a year old, and then I have these brand spanking new, only have one run on them, 6000 70C G plus CNHLs. Okay, not really doing a battery comparison, but that's the two packs I have, and you guys can watch the performance of each. But today we're going to be running two different propellers. I have an ABC 1814 1650, or you know what, I think it's a 1560, dyslexic, and an H5 here. Okay, this round ear H5 that we're going to be running. So let's go. Let me get these. I think I'm going to run the HP packs first, and we may run this round ear with these packs, so we'll see. Last outing, I actually burned up this cup right here and the bullet that went in it, so I put a used bullet in. I didn't have any new ones, so I had an old used one that was pretty good shape, and I took a drill bit with a green pad on it, and I cleaned out the inside of that cup. Now I did not clear it out, so I think I'm going to go ahead and hook up my B-Link real quick and clear out my data. I went ahead and cleared out that data log because I was really interested to see what this prop did. Brand new prop. I didn't check my old data. Wish I would have from that M545, but it's all good. It's all good. It's raining. Wasn't supposed to start yet. All right, let's get the GPS cleared out. Start. Oh. 3, 0, start. Okay, it's actually nice, really nice actually. We'll get us a nice straight pass in. Nice. Oh, sorry, brother. Sorry. Ooh. Damn. Ooh, that 1814's nice there. Full trigger. Oof, oof. Slow-mo. Holy cow. Oh, that prop right there is BOSS, and I just have a initial prep on it. Nothing fancy, you know. Didn't mess with the back end. I just left it all stock and just balanced it out. Bringing it over here so I can check my cooling lines, make sure they're still on. Just get a real quick reading. Actually, let's put the H75. 78 is my personal best with an 1816 on. 78. That's awesome. Okay. So I almost want to put that H5 on with this battery so I can really see what it does, but I think I'm going to put it on with the next set. Okay. I was kind of going crazy there. I wasn't really driving all that great, so let's see if we can get some good driving in. Oh, I forgot about that fisherman over here. I don't want to turn right into his line. Now let's get some good driving in. Seems like I got it balanced out pretty good. I did get a blow over there. I got her running loose. As you can see, she's a little bow light. Okay, I think I want to bring it in. New prop I've never run, you know. It's about 5 or 6 laps. I did have that bullet kind of burn in the cup, so we'll assess that, make sure that's good. I wasn't gonna bring it in. That might be my pack. About 6 laps. Running pretty good. I have my oxy digger out here. I was gonna run it first, but I was like, you know what? Let's do this damn VORTEX. $367. Wasn't pushing it as hard. Alright. Put some batteries in my temp gun. Yeah, so I usually run an 18-16 on here, like laps, and the motor ESC, it likes it. It does. It'll take it, you know. A 18-16. This is a 18-14-3 with a little more blade area. 105. 126 where there's no water cooling. That's awesome. Okay, 103. I mean, it could be better. 105, 99. That's actually pretty great temperatures. Okay, looks like my battery come out of place. Knock my receiver loose. So let's check the voltage. This is that Power Hobby. No. GT Power battery checker. I like it. I'll deal with that. It's a rainy day. Actually, yeah, it's a rainy day. Let's do that. Let's bring it. Yeah, that's okay. So I could have finished this pack out. With that prop. So now I know, you know, now I know everything was 100 degrees almost or less. You see what I just did there? That wire bent. I gotta put a new wire on there. Oh, don't tell me it's gonna rain all freaking day. Okay, so here's the difference in those two props. The 18-14 and the H5. Alright. That drive dog that I messed up on the impulse, I grinded the teeth off of it and I made a spacer. See that? So drive dogs aren't necessarily trash. If you screw them up, you can reuse them. Okay, just grind the teeth off, make sure it's somewhat balanced, and you got yourself a, what the hell? What the prop spacer? My wrench was over there. So this is the H5. H5. It's pretty. All right. So we got, what was it? 75 and 67. These packs were about 8 miles per hour slower than the other packs, the HP packs. Last outing, about 8 miles per hour slower, so we should see a noticeable difference in speed. H5. Oof, sounds good, right? Way slower. It's not the prop, it's the packs. Full trigger though. Tell you what, she gets upset any least little bit. She'll start dancing on me, doing the cha-cha. I could definitely see a difference with the performance, like handling with the wider, lower profile packs. You know, I can see a big difference in the way the boat handles itself. You know, pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. $62, big difference. 75, 62. Different props, different batteries. You know, it's a good cruising setup here. It's not gonna break any records. These are only 70C. You know? Hell, I think I bought these packs for like 20 bucks a piece or something. You can tell they're $20 packs too. You know. Full trigger. It likes that prop. The ride attitude looks good. Looks like it's got a little bit of lift in the back. You know, looks like she's lifting a little bit compared to the 1816 two blade that I usually run. It don't really pick the back up unless I put some negative on it. Yeah, I have a neutral position. It's perfectly neutral. Perfectly neutral. Perfectly neutral. $112, $119. It's actually a cooler running prop. About the same. We weren't really pushing it as hard as far as discharge goes, right? Because it's only 70C. So yeah. 62. Okay. The bullet didn't give me any issues. All right. As you can see, I cleaned that cup up. Can you see it? Drill bit and a green pad. Just with a drill, green pad, like rolled onto the tip of the drill bit, and it'll clean your cups up pretty good. Yeah, so I'll let you guys go. I think I like both props. Both props are new to me, and both did pretty good. 75, and then I think this one right here would probably be a 70 mile per hour prop as well if I had run some better batteries with it, you know. So we're back at the shop. I got the data log pulled up. I wanted to show you guys my tune. So I run it neutral, and I don't know, I just found that slight, like a tenth of a degree positive works pretty damn good on this thing. You know, I don't know. I just found that it works. This is the swoop fin. This is a UL19 fin. It also works pretty good on here, you know. So, got the B-Link hooked up, and this is session 2, which is the first session with the 1814 3-blade. Okay, so I'm not going to pull the whole graph up or nothing, but you guys can kind of see how it works here. We pulled a maximum of 286 amps. It looks like we peaked pretty much 3 times at that 270, 280 amp range. So controller temperature was only 106 max, which is great. 0.67 volt battery ripple. All right, so remember that. Not bad, not bad. It's a little higher amp pull than I got with my custom 1816 2-blade. It's a little bit higher. I usually averaged around 230, 200 to 230, 240 max with the 1816 2. The 1814 3, as you've seen, around 230 average, 240, and a 286 peak. So this is session 3. Okay, this is session 3 with my graph set up the way I like to look at it. The red is the voltage sag with that CNHL. Green is the maximum amperage or current, I guess. We maxed out with that H5 at 225 amps, so it was a little less aggressive than that 3-blade. 225 versus the 286 on our previous SMC run. So I'm wondering if so next time we'll do it backwards. We'll run the H5 with the SMC packs and the 3-blade with the CNHL and kind of compare data, you know. So 0.76 volt ripple. Okay, at the end of the pack, I brought those CNHLs in at 3.7, and look at the ripple on that last little pass. Look how much voltage sag we got. When those packs get low, the voltage really drops off, you know, compared to the SMC, which I didn't discharge the SMCs down to the 3.7 like I did the CNHLs, you know. So back at the SMC, superior, it says it in the name, superior matching concepts. Okay, best lipos on the planet. I mean, the voltage ripple wasn't that much lower than the CNHLs, but you can visually see, I could hear the voltage dropping on that last pass when I brung it in with those CNHLs. The SMCs, it stayed pretty constant, you know. It didn't have a big spike. So 286, it's kind of more than I would like to see, but it is a 3-blade, and the guys usually run that prop on 4S when the P limited setup. So I was actually really happy to see the temperatures. Granted, we were pulling 286 amps. The temps were extremely good, you know. Yeah. So what I'm going to start doing, I'm in love with the 1745 ABC series, but I like the 1.6 pitch. Okay, pretty much all my ABC props that are 1745 are 1.6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some 1.4 pitch ABCs, and we can compare the 1.4 to the 1.6, which is my favorite pitch from ABC, you know, in the 1745. Right. The 1.9 pitch is great too, but yeah, I want to get some 1.4 pitch props to compare amperage, speed, and have the 1.4 pitch props to do ovals with, because I mean the temperatures were great. We did pull some current, but overall, it worked out pretty good. So, yep, this is my setup. I'm gonna let you guys go. Figured I'd put it on the bench, show you what everything looks like. Level tunnel. I did flip it, but I wasn't driving that good, you know, and it survived, so it's all good. We'll see you guys next time. Appreciate you watching.